Hi, boys and girls. Today you are going to use your sense of smell. So get your nose ready. We are going to be talking about good smells and bad smells. So you're going to need this good smells and bad smells mat. You're going to need this paper too. This has all the good and bad smells. You might be wondering, what do each of these pictures say? This is soap, an onion, a rose, smoke, perfume, a dirty sock, a crab, popcorn, a skunk, a lemon, butter, coffee, bananas, pizza, pickles, and cinnamon. If you ever get to a picture and you don't know what it says, you can rewind this video and listen to me read them to you. Now that you have your paper and your good smells, bad smells mat, you are going to need glue and scissors and a pencil, of course, to write your name. So pause the video and get your materials. So I cut out my first picture and it's a skunk. Is that a good smell or a bad smell? That's an icky smell. I put it over here. I cut it and glued it on this side. The next one I cut out, I did my best cutting, I stayed on the line, was cinnamon. Do you think that's a good smell or a bad smell? I agree. I think that's a good smell. Now you're going to keep going until you have all of the pictures sorted into good and bad smells. Now, you might find yourself like maybe you think a pickle's a bad smell or you think it's a good smell. It might just depend on who you are. I think pickles smell so good, but Mr. Jensen thinks they're disgusting. So this really just depends on what you think. Have fun. Use your nose.